Hey everyone, welcome to Startups on Demand, sponsored by New York Tech Media. Today I've got Idan Waller on the show. He's the CMO, right? You're the CMO of Bluethrone.
Yes.
Bluethrone, really interesting company. I actually reached out to Idan a few days ago via LinkedIn. I think I saw a post or something, and then I kind of jumped in and saw their product, and it kind of reminded me of what Nathan Latka is doing and what of micro acquisition is doing probably in a bigger scale with like bigger, larger startups. And I just had to kind of get him on the show. So thanks for being on the show.
For sure. How are you?
Good, awesome. So let's give us a little brief about what you guys are doing. Give us a minute on it.
Okay, actually, we called ourselves an app aggregator because we had to create a name for what we're doing, a category for what we're doing. So in the Amazon world, if you're familiar with it, there are many app, Amazon aggregators that they buy FBA Amazon stores, and they grow them in-house because they discover the interesting thing that sellers usually have a growth ceiling. Why? Because they are not businessmen. Started playing with Amazon, they grew up to $1 million store, and now you have to get professional about it and do really good boring stuff like inventory and marketing and all this stuff. We discovered that the same thing is true for the app niche. Why? Because also developers are extraordinary, if they are extraordinary, yeah, we buy only extraordinary app in 1, 2, maybe 3 things. Okay, so they grow and then they reach their limit and then they cannot grow anymore. And then what they're good at is actually taking the apps from 0 to 1. We are experts at taking the apps from 1 to 100. This is totally different thing. This is totally different world. It doesn't mean one thing is better than the other, but we allow the developers to focus on what they're actually good at, to find this great product market fit idea and to grow it until one can be $5,000 a month, $50,000 a month, maybe half a million dollar a month, depend on the niche, depend on the app, yeah? But once they reach this growth limit, that's where we come in because we know how to do the boring stuff extraordinarily well.
Awesome. So what is the boring stuff? So if you can kind of expand, are we talking about marketing? Are we talking about having it customized for customers?
Exactly. Doing UA, user acquisition, is always boring because developers are mainly they're like tech artists. Okay, they like to create, they like to build, they only think about the next project, which is awesome. You know, this is what they're good at. This is what an artist is good at, to take things from 0 to 1. So the boring stuff is marketing, is localization, is UA, is adding features that actually will make money, will actually make the app grow. Because what we discovered is that when these developers get stuck, they usually add features that don't let the app grow because it's not real market research based, based on a deep analysis of the customer avatar. So those are the boring stuff, and to do it consistently every day, to track the data, to let the data guide you to where to take the app. So yeah, this is what we like, and this is what developer likes, and that's why this thing works.
I love it. So essentially, a developer who, like you said, he's an artist. He likes, building the software. He likes programming, but he doesn't like to do the business stuff. So he's essentially, let's say, a CTO, right? He builds up the product, and then he lets you guys run it. How does the business model work? Do you guys straight on buy the app from him, from a developer, and that's it?
Yes.
Or how? Yeah.
Usually what we do is we buy the app and we grow it in-house. Now, there are some instances that the app is a pretty complicated one, or we actually buy the whole company, which has several apps. So therefore, we usually work with the developer for 3 months, for 6 months, before we pay them, and we grow together. And then it's not like, hey, take my app and see you later. But also the interest of the developer is that the app will continue to grow, because developers see their app and they feel about the app like it's their little baby. Okay, so they don't want to see it die, and they want to see it succeed and grow and be proud of it. Hey, this is my app up there in the first place in the category. So in some cases, we just buy the app. In some cases, if it's pretty complicated app or we buy the whole company, then we work together with the developer for a couple of months.
Interesting. Where is the funding from? When you guys buy an app, do you guys have like limited partners who kind of invest through you? Like, how does it actually work?
First of all, we have our angel investors and now a fund that invested in us. So that's where it's come from. Also, we have access to debt. Okay, we can do it via credit, and this is our choice where to get it via regular investing or credit investing, and we decide upon the results of the company where to go.
Interesting. And so let's look a bit about how you guys do marketing. So like where does your deal flow come from? Like your main deal flow? Like how do developers hear about you?
Okay, we started like everyone starts, I guess, with scraping and cold emails and everything. But what you discovered really quickly that the response rate is really, really, really low when you do this. So of course, I had to, in my position as a CMO, to let the world know, to let the developers know, like how you got to know us, that we exist and what we do, because one of the biggest problems when you have an innovative idea like this is that you have to educate the market a bit. Hey, there is really a reliable company that actually buys the app, because what happened until now is that these developers got all these cold emails from companies that says, yeah, I want to buy your app, I want to do this, I want to do that, but actually they want to steal their data, they want to copy their stuff, copy their code, and shenanigans like that. So
Wow.
This is what I had to do, to create this presence, to let the developer know, hey, we are good, we are reliable, we will never, never, never hurt you. We really like to create a win-win here. You take it from 0 to 1, we take the app from 1 to 100. That's the deal. It's a total win-win, and yes, you will actually see the money when we said you will.
Interesting. That's nice. I like it. So, like, I guess my last question for you is, in terms of like a product roadmap for you guys, how do you guys like want to make, let's call it a service. I think it's more like a service. Like where are the next stages for you guys to even bring even more value to developers and to other tech enthusiasts who build great products?
Look, what we do is that myself and my brother, who founded the company, always believe in sharing what we do, in sharing our marketing tactics, and we both are marketing fanatics. We really grew up in the direct response marketing world. We love it, we thrive on it, and we're really good at it. That's what we do really well. So we believe in sharing this information. So for example, if you sign up for a mailing list, you'll get a lot of not only, hey, let's buy your app, okay, I understood you buy app, that's good. Hey, let me show you what we are doing to the app, marketing-wise, UA-wise, feature-wise, to make it grow. If you want to do it yourself, perfect. Come on, grow your app, and then we can buy it when it's more right for us to deal with, like it's making enough money. And if not, also okay, we are very happy to show you what we do. We know you probably don't like to do it. It's the boring stuff. So maybe you will do it. Maybe you will tell about us to your friend. Yes, these guys are reliable. They're really expert. They really know what they're doing. So that's how we do it. By sharing this information, we also publish a data report about app exit prices. So developers know how much my app is worth. Let's see the range. Let's see what I can get. And that pretty much open the mind,
Wow.
Hey,
wait,
I can have an exit on my asset.
You guys have some sort of, I might be wrong, but I think I remember you guys have some sort of like ROI calculator, right? Like on your.
Yes. We develop a free app valuation tool. You can find it on our website, bluethrone.io, and you just put in the data of your app, downloads, revenue, iOS, Android, both, paid traffic, not paid traffic, and you get a range of somewhere your app is well, some kind of valuation. Yeah, you get it in the middle. Of course, to get an accurate valuation, you have to go to our analyst team, and we'll have to do it with you guys if your app is doing more than 20K a month. And yeah, so every developer can just go to our website and put the link to their app, type in all this data, and get a very, very quick valuation.
I love this. I love this feature is so good. So Idan, thank you so much, for taking the time to be on the show. Keep up the awesome work. If people want to find you guys, I bet they can find you on bluethrone.com, right? They can find you on LinkedIn.
Yes.
.io, sorry. They can find you on LinkedIn. That's how I found you. Are you guys on Twitter as well?
No, not yet.
Not
we
yet.
have to focus on the media channels we are going. Yes.
Oh, good. The next channel should be Twitter. Awesome. Awesome, Idan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.